Poutine.
Okay, let's go. We've got to prepare our potatoes first. Tonight I'm using sweet potato. Here's a life hack for you. Stick a fork in the end of the potato and you're going to eliminate the scratches, the nicks and cuts from your hands or knuckles while you're peeling. I could peel all day doing this. Try it out. It's a game changer in your kitchen while you're cooking.
Use a fork and it's done. Boom!
If you're looking for perfection in your French fries, make sure you chop them down into rectangles to start. Look at that. Beauties. Next, we'll slice them about 1/4 of an inch thick. Then we'll line them all up, we'll stack them, and we'll do the same. There is your perfect cut French fry. This is such an easy recipe. It's quick and easy, but you are going to enjoy this. This is comfort food at its finest. Poutine is a classic. Be sure to add olive oil and your spices to the bottom of the bowl, then add your fries on top, then more oil and more spice. That way they are evenly coated. I'm using garlic and onion powder, some smoked paprika, and cayenne pepper. Give them a really good mix, and you can either air fry or deep fry. Tonight I'm air frying these with sweet potatoes. I'm keeping these as a healthy food.
This is St. Hubert gravy.
Okay, now that our sweet potato fries are all cooked, we'll line them up in the bowl. A secret to these are pea meal back bacon. This adds some great flavor. We'll slice it up, we'll toss it in the bowl, and then we have to add a lot of cheese. You can use any type of cheese you'd like here. I'm using some nice smoked cheddar. And here is the final touch, brown gravy. It is steaming hot and just delicious. French fries and cheese and bacon and gravy, oh my.
The secret to great poutine is that cheese has got to melt. That could take as long as your patience can hold out.
Please also remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share.
This is going to be so bloody hot. What's that beeping? All I hear is beep, 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 beep all night. Boom! It's just freaking amazing. If you've never had poutine, you've got to try poutine. Oh. Look at that. That is comfort food at its finest. Oh. Freaking amazing. I made it with sweet potato. It's healthy.